Hello everyone, and welcome to Best Gadget. In this video, we will unbox, test and review, the MOOSOO Smart Robot Vacuum. The MOOSOO Robotic Vacuum Cleaner is an affordable, frills-free robot vacuum that's small enough to clean under even the lowest furniture. The relatively affordable MOOSOO Robot Vacuum has a compact design, strong suction power for its size, and smarter navigation than its predecessors. This robot vacuum cleans hard floors and low-pile carpet with aplomb, supports app and voice control, and won't break the bank. They're also fairly compact, so they won't take up much space. And they're able to travel underneath most couches and tables, so you don't have to rearrange furniture. With a Wi-Fi connected robot vacuum, you're able to start, stop, and schedule cleaning jobs from your phone. Wi-Fi is fast becoming a standard feature these days. In addition to app control, many affordable robot vacuums these days support Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for added convenience. In general, we can fix 6 features from this robot vacuum. All-round cleaning, multiple cleaning modes cover almost all floor types. Flexible operation and satisfy different cleaning needs. MT-720 robot vacuum is suitable for hard floors, carpets, and wooden floors. Ultra-high battery capacity. With a large battery capacity of 2500 mAh, the MT-720 robotic vacuum cleaner can run for up to 120 minutes on a full charge. Ideal for large houses and multiple rooms. Helps you to continue cleaning. Slim design. The 3 slim design allows the MT-720 robot vacuum to easily reach underneath beds, chairs, and any other furniture, clean every corner that is difficult to clean, and keep your house neat. Smart movement system. Easily identify furniture and obstacles. An optimal route will be planned for efficient and completely clean every time. Anti-drop technology. The robot adopts high-precision infrared sensors, advanced anti-collision and drop sensing technology to avoid falling down the stairs or edges. Easy to clean dustbin. 600 ml dustbin supports longer cleaning sessions. Easy to take out, and won't dirty your hands. It also comes with a washable Hepa filter, keeping the clean and fresh air in your home.
Welcome to use MOOSOO Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Auto cleaning. Stop cleaning. Back to charge. Start charging.
Quick mode. Auto cleaning. Turbo mode. Turbo mode. Welcome to use MOOSOO Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Connecting network.
Tabii ki ihtimalim.